Hello guys, you are welcome back to our YouTube channel Honeyfest. Today we are going to show you how to install Office 2019 on your computer. Yes, the download link is in the description. Make sure you check it out. So let's get started. As you have clicked on the setup, wait patiently for the Office 2019 to load on your computer. But mind you, for smooth installation, make sure you turn off your Microsoft Windows Defender. After the installation is done, you see all the Office apps on your start menu. As you could see, I've already installed it. Please make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. On our next video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Microsoft Office to activate your Windows 10. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime we release a video, you get access to it. Enjoy your day.